Basically, every Saturday, I always talk about this, every Saturday is my most favorite day because that's the day I can meet the VSHR team member. The video is not allowing me to speak a lot, so I'm going to speak 3 special days, which I felt are the most memorable day for me. The first most memorable day was for me when Quang told me that he wants to be a business development manager. He wants to step up and want to have a bigger role for himself. That courage shows me that what I'm doing and the value I leave in VSHR Pro Academy is really reflect to the other people who can stand up for a bigger role. So that's one of the day I was really impressed and I'm really happy, and one of the most memorable day in VSHR of last year. Number 2, it's also related to a little bit with Quang as well too. And the day when we do for a first business trip, we were able to do it for Quang, and I see how much commitment he put. He came to the delivery team at 6 a.m. before the time, and that shows that that enthusiasm, that commitment, really make me very impressed about what he's doing. He was coming on, he was calling abroad, so that's amazing for me actually. Number 3, it's probably a little bit compound memorable thing. I will say this one. I think the way our business development team formed, we're not looking for lots of people. We're just looking for the right people, and I think the way our business development team did with the leads of Min, I'm very impressed, and my thumbs up to the whole business development team as well too, for their great work and great passion about what really they do.